a really simple mug cake. What we need is maida. I've mixed the maida and the baking powder, sugar, cocoa powder, milk and oil, and I have mixed the milk and oil together, and 1 egg. So first I will take the maida and the baking powder and the cocoa powder also. Now let's steep it. Now I will add the sugar and mix it. Now I will take the wet ingredients, which are the milk and the oil and the egg. Milk with the oil and the egg. Yes, no eggshells. Let's whisk it. So my mom is whisking again like a pro, and yeah, done. Now I will add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredient. There it goes. So now I will mix this into a thick batter without any lumps. So I think I'm done with the batter, and now I'll add some chocolate chips. All of them. Now mix it. Now I'll pour this batter into the mug, and about half the way. Now I'll put this into the microwave for about 2 minutes or so. And the first mug is in. And for the second one. So 2 minutes timer start. You can put the batter into a long, tall mug also. I've put them in 2 different mugs because me and my mom are going to eat them because we are foodies and we love food. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and they're done! And now let's open them. The kitchen is filled with the aroma of chocolate. And now I'll take this tray, little tiny tray. Here is the mug cake. I'm eating it, not waiting for my mother. I want to do one dance today. So now I have my tuitions and I have to go. So bye.